decided not to let the rain bomb that's coming persuade us not to go.
Yeah.
Hopefully we're not going to get washed away in the next few days.
Well, we shouldn't. It'll just be whether we get stranded somewhere because of it.
Yeah, so I've gone all out. So the next couple of places we're due to stop at, I have asked the people if they think they're going to flood. I have checked the flooding, like the Queensland flood map overlays. Dion thinks it's a bit overkill, but I don't. I need to be semi-prepared, and this trip he hasn't allowed me to plan anything really, so
Nope.
that's what I needed to do.
In the end, if it rains and we get stuck somewhere for an extra week, so be it. We'll still enjoy it. Better than working.
Yep. So onwards we go.
Yes.
First stop is not even actually a caravan park. The first stop is to go see one of our very good friends that had a baby yesterday. So we've been holding out for this baby to come so we can say hi before we take off. So anyway, yeah, we'll see you soon. Okay, so this is our campsite at Hidden Valley. So we have all of this section here. It's powered. And we're... Yeah, in the best view. So we're paying $35 a night with power. They just don't have water, but they have hot showers and flushing toilets. And this is the view. I'll spin you around so what we can see. This is the view from our caravan. So it's this gorgeous little fire pit. The grass is really nice too. And it's good because this is all what Hudson can ride around on. He has been wearing himself out riding around. It's been a bit wet, so they haven't lit the fire, but how is this for a campfire? Like, seriously. And yeah, back to camp. Also, when we got here, they told us that they have a resident emu. And we've not met the emu yet. Apparently he comes and checks out all the sites. We were out all day. But I really want to meet the emu. Apparently you can pat him. So if we can see him, we'll do some filming and so you can see that too. So there's a little bit of a camp kitchen. Newspapers, books. Look, even a kid's toilet seat. So it, there's 2 toilets. And turn the light on. Come in, shower, amazing shower. So it's super hot water, shower head's a decent size, the pressure is good. You've got a toilet and a sink, mirror. So there's 2 of these. And they just ask that you are careful with the water because they're on tank water and septic. So yeah, this is the shittest start to a trip.
Yep. Second day into the trip.
And we're just at the shops spending money because...
And we're buying gumboots for Hudson. And yeah, trying not to get too wet.
Yep.
Finally another week of this.
We can get back into our campsite.
Yeah, the water's pretty close to the road when we left, so we're going to get a supply of food and possibly bunker down in the caravan for the next week.
Stay put. You'll be watching a lot of movies.
Such a hard time.
Let's go. Let's go. They have what? Oh my goodness. I think it's all ginger beer stuff though. So today we are at the ginger factory.
Yep,
It's
Hydrogen
about-
Ginger Factory in Yandina.
Yeah, so it's about 6 minutes from where we are parked up with the caravan. And it's basically a kid's paradise. There's a boat ride and a train ride. It's free entry. So they've got cafes and taste testing and stuff, but to go on the rides you have to pay. So what was it? It was like $20 each.
Yeah, the boat ride and the train ride. Yeah, you can get the all-day rides for an extra $5, so $25, and you can go unlimited on the boat and the train. I think it was like $48 to do
beekeeping and the
ginger factory tour. Yeah.
Yeah, so we didn't do that because I don't think Hudson would sit still for that long, to be honest.
No.
But it's been a pretty easy way to fill in a few hours.
Yeah, we've been here at least 2, going on 3 hours now.
Yeah, they've got a Grovealo Trail, so if your kids like the Grovealo book, you can find all the Grovealo animals.
Yeah.
And Hudson has never read that book and he still enjoyed it, so yeah.
That's about it.
And we're filming on our phone because our GoPro died the day we left for our trip and won't turn on. So
Yeah, good
we have
fun.
to go buy a new camera today.
Watching a train?
Alright, this is the Overboard boat ride. It's completely flat, it just zigzags around. Kids love it, a bit boring for adults, but the basic premise of it is the gingerbread man is running around the world, and you see all different little scenarios of around the world, and you have to find the gingerbread man in each scenario. Okay, so the Rainfall project is an art installation by Sophie Blake, and it celebrates diversity, and basically there's like 990 umbrellas just scattered around this one area, and it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, we'll go to the train in a minute. Let's go! Alright, the Grovealo Trail is a section down the back of the ginger factory. It's pretty much just a heap of pathways through the forest, I guess, and they've put signposts along the way so that the kids can find things. So you find the fox and you find the owl, I think there's an owl, and then at the end you find the Grovealo. There's lots of little bits and pieces for them to do along the way, and at the end you get to the Grovealo's cottage. Hudson hasn't read the book and he still enjoyed it, so yeah, that's something good. It does take up a little bit of time. I think it's his house. Think he lives in here? He's got a table.
You got a bed.
Piano, a bed.
And a mobile phone.
Got a Christmas tree apparently. Hudson, what are you doing? You playing the piano? Oh, nice work. You having fun?
Augmented reality
I really like soft drink.
I don't do ginger. So right across the road from the ginger factory is the Nutworks factory. So they do macadamia and chocolate tasting. So let's go have a look. Down the back, the first thing you'll see is a heap of information on the actual process of how they, get the nuts, dehusk them, etc., etc. So we'll just show you some quick information here. you can actually also see behind the scenes. If you come at certain times through the day, you'll actually see them working. We were a little bit late for that, but it was still pretty cool to see the areas. If you look in those vats at the back, they're actually chock-a-block of chocolate, so that's pretty cool. Those vats are full of chocolate. How's the wasabi?
Not too bad. Still think chili tastes better.
What do you reckon? Is it good? Hudson?
Yep.
So once you finish doing that little self-guided tour, you can actually go out the front and purchase items, and down the back they also have a table full of all the different products they sell, and you're allowed to taste test all of them. So we had a little go of that, and we picked a few goodies to take home with us.
How much is that?
At me in one word, 1 cent.
You're a worry.
Yes, Hudson.
Hey, Dad.
Yes, Hudson.
It's the car park full of cars.
Oh, yeah, it's full of cars.
Next up was a quick stop into Torella Brewing. Now this is probably about 45 minutes from where we used to live, so we've actually come here a few times and we love it. The atmosphere is amazing. It's really family friendly. You'll just see masses of children on scooters and bikes rolling around. They have food trucks every weekend, they have live music, and it's just a really nice way to spend the afternoon.
On the tip, on some chips with some sauce on it.
There's chippies with sauce on it.
Oh,
Where are we?
this one.
Torella Brewing Trail, I think it's called.
Torella something. In Yandina.
Yep, they do alcoholic ginger beers, ciders, pale ales, pretty much everything. And slushies, which don't last very long.
Well, I was waiting for our stuff.
Oh,
But my straw died. They need to give better straws. Anyway, this paper straw business. Yes, anyway, stopped off here for some food. We really came because Dion wanted some roadies. And then the wing food truck he loves is here. So
I decided to stop for lunch as well.
we stopped for lunch. Yeah. This one?
Something like that one.
Mmm.
Go for a sup.
We're going to be so poor. Driving. So we left Yandina. We were pretty much in the worst spot we could be. We were expecting over 300 mils of rain. So we decided to leave and head up to Bundaberg. So hopefully we're making the right choice.
No, because you got gumboots on that are about to fill up with water. Nothing, keep walking. Yeah, he's smart. He's like, I'm gonna get up high.